Come in.
Good morning.
Good morning. I'm Mr. Eckett. We talked over the phone.
I recognize your voice now. I'm Mr. Pocock.
Nice to meet you.
And I am Mr. Maskell. Just to start this off in a timely manner, I would like to ask you some basic questions about chemistry, since that is the job you are interviewing for here at the CCC, the Capital Chemistry Corporation.
Or as I like to call it, the Crazy Chemical Corporation, because our company is insanely awesome.
What is your background in the field as a chemist?
I just finished my undergraduate and majored in biology and chemistry, and so this will be the first job that I've actually applied for, as you can see here on my resume.
What do you like to do?
Yes.
Thank you. Good question. Because our company deals with fertilizers, in your position will deal with the formulation of new fertilization compounds. Are you aware of which three elements are most commonly used in fertilizer manufacturing?
Yes, in organic chemistry, we learned that oxygen, phosphorus, and nitrogen are the most commonly used elements in fertilizers. An interesting fact about these, they're all nonmetals and located in the same region of the periodic table, which allows them to have similar chemical properties. So, in plants, these elements are easily used and interchanged to perform cellular processes.
Interesting. What is one of the similarities that nitrogen and phosphorus share?
The number of valence electrons, which affects their ability to form covalent bonds with other elements. Inside the plant, nitrogen is primarily used for the production of protein, and phosphorus is used for DNA and RNA because it helps create the sugar phosphate backbone by forming covalent bonds, which is the sharing of valence electrons with oxygen.
So, how are the number of valence electrons in an element identified, since knowing their values are so vital in the formulation of new fertilization compounds?
The number of valence electrons in an element are determined based off their location on the periodic table. For example, fluorine is a halogen, which is in the 7th family or 7th group of the periodic table, and therefore it has 7 valence electrons.
That is true, but what is the surefire method to be able to identify all elements?
Well, by identifying the element's electron configuration and counting the number of electrons, we will be able to determine the element. I just thought that you wanted the simplest method possible.
You're fine, but we are looking for the most scientific answers from you so that we can determine if you are the best candidate for employment.
I have enough knowledge on the biochemical aspect to be an excellent addition to our company. But I have one more question. We're all chemists here. What is one of the most important things you learned from your first year high school chemistry class?
Well, the most important topic I covered in chemistry was the periodic table of elements and learning how to use it. Everything that involves chemicals is on the periodic table and requires knowledge on how to use it. Whether it is determining the mass in grams of chemical compounds by using Avogadro's number 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd and the values on the table, or identifying the chemical properties such as electronic conductivity, boiling point, and malleability are all based on the families of the table.
That was a perfect answer. I would have given the same answer if I was asked the exact same question.
Mr. Eckert, we here at the CCC would enjoy working with you.
Thank you.
Thanks for your time, and we will inform you on the decision later on.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
You too.
Share the same
You
number.
gotta restart. I was way off position.
Come in.
Good morning.
Good morning.
That you have enough knowledge on the biochemical aspect to be an excellent addition to our company.
Dad, did you get a job? Okay.